Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the HALO wireless soil pH meter, the IC-HI12922. The HALO wireless soil pH meter incorporates Bluetooth smart technology with an application-specific design. The meter has a triple ceramic junction within the outer reference cell, a built-in temperature sensor, and a conical pH sensing tip, making it ideal for pH measurements in soil. All measurements are transmitted directly to a free app on your Apple or Android device. On the app, you can view real-time data, calibrate the meter, view your data in a graph or a table, view GLP information, set alarms, as well as log data and share data. In the box, there is some paperwork, including the Quick Start instruction guide, an electrode quality certificate, an auger for soil perforation, a bottle of storage solution, reference electrolyte fill solution, a plastic pipette, two 20ml pH 7.01 standard buffer solution sachets, and two 20ml pH 4.01 sachets, and two 20ml sachets of electrode cleaning solution for general use. And last of all is the wireless HALO Bluetooth pH meter. Features of the meter include a single operation button on the top, a fill hole for the electrolyte solution, the twist-off electrode storage cap. Removing this shows the conical application-specific pH electrode for inserting into soil. And lastly, on the top around the edge is the blue HALO indicator. For a video demonstrating how to set up and calibrate this meter, see the links in the video description. Or for more information on this soil pH tester, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.